In this video, we are going to see about event listener, how to create event listener, and how to assign in the event listener to particular views elements. So these are the things we are discussing in this session. So let me see, guys. So initially, I am going to do some design. So first of all, I am drag one button views and fix it the constraint position. After that, I have changing some properties of text button text. Here I am changing click on me, and meanwhile I am going to change ID also, because I am going to access this view through the ID only. Okay, that's what I am changing here. BTN, so ID underscore BTN for ID for button view. And second thing, I am going to drag one text view here, and same thing I didn't change any text for that, but I have to change ID for text view. So here ID underscore txt. Okay, and we have to do constraint location also. So the logic is, so whenever I'm click on the button view, so some message will be replaced in the text view. Okay, instantly the same. Meanwhile, so whenever clicking on the event, what are the event perform on the clicking, so here will come here which event handling or which event happened. Okay, so these are my logic. Let me see, guys, how to write the event listen for this design. Okay, so directly after completing this process, just go to the main activity of package, and after the content view, make some space. So here I am going to create an object for my activity views, because there is two activities there, one button and view. I'm going to create object for both views. So how to create object for that? Just mention value and give some object name. So I'm giving my BTN, my button, equal. So find view by ID. So I'm going to find my views by ID. So what is the type of object is? So type of views is button. You have to mention button, and inside that you have to mention the button ID here. So the same we have to do for text also. So here I am going to create my text. So my view. So find view by ID. So my views type is text view, and here I mention resource inside ID, and my text view ID is ID underscore txt. Okay, guys, we have successfully created object for our views. Right. So we have to write the event for button only, guys. Okay, because text view only for viewing the message. The event is click event, because I'm whenever the logic is whenever click on the button, some message will be replaced in the text view, right? So now I'm directly mention my button object. So my button object, and put dot after that, and you have to mention set on click listener. Okay, so this is the event, click event. So inside the click event, I'm going to make some pop-up message for viewer. So how to make that? So post dot make text. Okay, so whenever you want to give some message through pop-up message or pop-up window, so you have to use toast keyword, guys. Okay, the toast keyword only purpose for viewing some message to user by pop-up box, right? So inside the make text, so you have to mention this. So this means the current event. This event. So what is the display to user. So I am showing message click event happened. So after the message, so you have to mention the toast text length. Yes, toast dot text length and dot show. Okay guys, so this entire code, the toast code, the command usage for only the display message to user by pop-up box. Okay. So let me see the output, how the output will come. Okay, after that, so now I'm going to replace the text. Okay, in my view dot text equal to. So I'm going to display some message in text view. So what is this? Text is changed on button click. Okay guys, so we successfully made a code for click event and especially the event listeners. Okay guys, so let me run this code by emulator and let me see how to working this. Now I am starting my emulator for checking this code. See guys, on the button view, the C. So here click event happened and the text is changed on the button click. So here the pop-up text will mention the click event happened, and our logic wise our text has been changed here. For the same way, we can create event listener for group of views also guys. Let me see the next session for that. Thank you so much guys. We will meet the next video.